syrup, you say.
Yes.
Which fragrance? What bottle is it?
How much?
When we get 4.
How much, kid?
We have 8 KD, we have 7.5.
Ah, okay.
You can mix with lotion and shower gel.
Ah.